In this quick video, I will show you how to buy and stake GMX on Arbitrum step by step. So the first step is to have a Arbitrum network in your MetaMask wallet, and if you don't have one, you can go to chainlist.org and click add to MetaMask here under the Arbitrum one. Click approve, click switch network, and go to your MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, I have a Arbitrum network in my MetaMask wallet. And then go to app.gmx.io, click buy on Arbitrum, and choose Uniswap and connect your wallet. And if you don't have a Arbitrum token in your MetaMask wallet, you can just go to this link and copy the contract address. You will be able to see it here. Just copy this, go to MetaMask wallet, go to assets, and click import tokens, and then paste the address. But as you can see, I have already added my token, my GMX token. You can see it here, so I will not be able to add it again. So once you have a GMX token in your MetaMask wallet, you can go back to Uniswap here, click I understand, and then choose what token you're going to use to swap into GMX. And for example, we're going to type down 0.005, and I will receive this amount of GMX. So click swap here and then click confirm. Go to your MetaMask wallet, go to assets, and as you can see, I have a 0.01 GMX in my MetaMask wallet. So if you want to stake, go to app.gmx.io and then click earn, click stake here, and type the amount of GMX you want to stake. So for example, I'm going to stake the maximum amount. Click approve GMX, click confirm, click stake, and then click confirm. And now as you can see, I have staked 0.01 GMX, and you will be able to see the equivalent amount of USD. So you can also see here the APR, which is 15.76%, and you can also see the rewards here. And if you want to claim your rewards, you can just click claim here. And if you want to compound your rewards, you can just click here. And if you have any questions about how to buy and stake GMX on Arbitrum, leave a comment below.